Hey guys, Kev here. I'm in the garage today. What I'm going to do, I'm going to fix a paddle. I was given a paddle and it was broken. So I'm going to attempt to epoxy glue it together. Hopefully it'll work. I've got a couple other projects I've got to down when I have a go at. Not a day, but next few days. I've got an oar I've got to try and recreate in the bottom because the fin on the bottom is broke off. So I'm going to fix that. And there's a few other bits and bobs to do. So thanks for checking in, and I'll see you in the garage. Cheers now. What we're going to do is make sure it's mixed up properly together. Don't mind telling you, it stinks. So I'll need to mix some more up. Let us know in the comments down below if you guys have done this before, or if you think I'm doing it wrong. Even better. I like to learn. So, yeah, like I say, we've got some trips planned over the lakes in Cumbria. My plan is to I'd love to get a sit-on kayak. Also, like one of these Canadian canoes. That's to be alright. It looks like it's soaking in. Hope it's going to be okay. I'm sure it will be. Right, get some more in here. Stiff. Should have made the holes bigger. You live and learn. Been watching a lot of videos, bushcrafting videos, canoeing, kayaking. I'm loving it at the minute. Obviously I watch the usual people, the Joe Roganites of the world, Scrambled Or, My Self-Reliance, so many. Ken Survival, he's a good lad, he's a good laugh. So, yeah, I've also got I'm not very good at this video stuff. I'm obviously just starting. But I've been making my own knife. I'll probably put some videos up of that later on. I got a big bearing. Oh yeah, the out ring from the bearing. It's supposed to be really good metal high carbon. So I'm busy making my own bushcraft knife. So I'll put some pictures up of that later on. I don't know when. I'll finally master this. Do you think you have to master the video log? I don't know. I enjoy doing this stuff. I just wish I knew more about videoing. Right, so that's the time. Now what we'll do, cut and clamps together, put them together. That worked. First time didn't work. It's pretty canny, that. Right, I'll leave that like that. I've got crap all over my hand. I'll leave that out, we'll wipe this off. And then, I think I'll leave this till tomorrow. And then we'll get back to you, stand it all off and see how it looks. Cheers guys.